Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Pakistan Heritage Channel. Today I am going to tell you about the truth of Bretley Hall, the purposes of the building and the architectural features, and of course we will discuss the history of this building. Bretley Hall, built in the late 19th century, this historic hall had hosted to almost all the notable leaderships of India, particularly for the political figures in Punjab. The hall has been associated with Charles Bretley, a British political activist and member of the parliament, and he was a great supporter of independent India. The building of the hall has designed with the British architectural elements but by keeping with local climatic requirements in view. Surendranath, one of the earliest Indian political leaders, had inaugurated the hall on 30th October 1900. Bretley Hall that played a central role in the independence of Indian subcontinent for almost half a century, but this place saw a complete turn of fate after the creation of Pakistan. Irrespective of clan, creed, or even political ideologies, the hall was famous for the meetings of all communities. Notables, those had visited this place and attended meetings over there are included Allama Muhammad Iqbal Rahmatullah Alayh, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Dr. Muhammad Ashraf, Mia Iftikharuddin and Malik Barkat Ali, Bhagat Singh, Jawahir Lal Nehru, Lal Rajput Rai are almost the stalwarts of freedom who frequently visited and gave speeches at the Bretley Hall. As part of Gandhi's non-cooperation movement, Lal Rai founded the National College inside this hall to impart quality education to the Indians who did not want to join British institutions. After independence, the hall was reopened and used as a technical education institute, the Milli Technical Education Institute. A fall from its magnificent era and a reflection of the priorities of the new state started just after a few years. Later, a dispute between the directorates of the institute emerged and one took possession of the hall and rented it out to private academies. The Evacuate Trust Property Board seized possession of the building, claiming to be the legal owners of the property. Today, the structure is totally asset condition. The main door has locked and side windows remain open, but there was nothing to see inside. The stage on which freedom fighters sung the lyrics of independence and free land, it just rotten place. The hall now belongs to a government organization which is responsible for the maintaining properties abandoned by non-Muslims during partition. Before being taken over by ETPB, it had been served as a storeroom of a steel mill. However, it has been closed since 2019. Now, due to its sad site, Government Punjab must take initiatives for its conservation and adaptive reuse. Otherwise, it may turn into ruin. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, comment and share.